Hello and welcome to Nwala Cooks. My name is Nwala. On today's video, I'll show you a fail-proof method of making the Nigerian meat pie. If you are interested, please keep watching. First, we're going to prepare the filling. For this, I have chopped onions, 1 medium potato and 2 carrots. I'm going to peel and wash them, and I'm going to cut them into cubes. I like to prepare the filling first because it needs to get cool before I can use it for the meat pie. In a clean pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil, add the chopped onions, fry it for about 2 or 3 minutes, then add the minced beef. I'm using 400 grams of minced beef for this recipe. You need to use your spoon to break the minced beef, or you scatter it until it turns brown and grainy, just like this. Then add the chopped carrots and potatoes. Stir to combine. Add the seasoning cube, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of curry, half a teaspoon of thyme. Stir to combine and add some water to cook further. You can add more spices if you prefer. Cook for 25 minutes or until the filling gets soft. To thicken it, add all-purpose flour and stir in immediately. Then set it aside to cool. To 4 cups of all-purpose flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and mix together. Next, you need to add butter, and this is where the first trick comes. You need to add cold butter. It is very important that the butter is cold if you want the meat pie to be flaky. Mix the butter with the flour until it gets crumbly. Then add cold water. For this recipe, you need a cup of cold water. Add the cold water gradually, and you don't need to overmix this batter. Just try to bring everything together. Trick number 2 to get a flaky meat pie. Cover this up and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. To roll out the pie, sprinkle a tiny portion of flour on a clean surface. Flatten the dough with your palm, grab a rolling pin and roll out flat. I rolled out a large portion. You can also do it bit by bit, which I'm going to show you. Grab any round cover of your desired size or a meat pie cutter. Use it to cut out into round shape. Add your filling and do not overfill. If you overfill it, it can be difficult to cover it up, so it's important that you don't overfill. Glaze the side of your pie and lift the other side gently to cover up. Use your fingers to close it up first, then press the edges with a fork. You can also do it in smaller batches. All you need to do is grab a smaller dough and repeat the same procedure. If you are watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anyone that might be needing this recipe. If you have any questions or recommendations, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Nwala Cooks if you try this recipe. Glaze the meat pie with egg wash, then transfer it to the oven to bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This recipe makes up to 13 meat pies. Meat pie is ready. It looks so nice and it tastes very delicious. I had mine with mango ice cream. I have a mango ice cream recipe on my channel. Please check it out. It's just 3 ingredients. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.